Hi guys, let's analyze Lassa Supergenics. It's a pharma company. It's a micro cap API bulk drugs. As you must have noticed, I'm mostly picking stocks from the IT pharma sector right now because these two sectors are not going to get affected largely by the lockdown. And looking at the current scenario around the country, we may be in lockdown for another 2 3 months. So it's best to be with relatively safer essential commodities sector than being cute and buying infra or realty stocks. No, you have to really understand that nobody is going to buy a house or start a new project in the midst of a pandemic. So for the short term, this is not long term theory, but on the short term, it makes a lot of sense. All right. So quickly, uh, what's happening here? Stock is in an uptrend. 200 days trending up. 50 days down. Why? Because stock has been down for since Feb. That's another reason. But if you see the stock quickly reclaimed 50 and 200 over here, and that too with exceptionally high volume. So that's a good sign, and now it is consolidating over here. So what got me interested? A couple of things. If you look at the weekly chart, this although this fall was in relatively higher volume, um, here the sort of volume has gone down, which indicates that the selling pressure has gone down, and then you see this huge volume bars indicating that there is buying happening in the stock. So that is one. With respect to the overall picture of the company, the stock got listed somewhere around 17, 18, and stock is almost what down 90% from its all-time high. So that's the overall picture. So not a market leader or anything. We are looking for a short-term trade. The 200 days in an uptrend. It reclaimed its 50 day on 22nd April. So 30 days have passed. In another 20 days, this this 50 day will start trending upwards. And so what am I looking for? I'm buying here at these levels. Within this consolidation, I'm buying. If it dips below also, I will buy. And what's my stop loss? So my stop loss is going to be if it goes below 50, or if it, let's say, if it goes below 200 and it continues to trade below 200 continuously. If it goes below 50 and it continues to trade below 50 continuously, that is where I'll be exiting the stock. Now what you have to understand, that the 50 and 200 are long term moving averages, so you'll get ample amount of time to exit the stock. The stock is just not going to break down and go down 30, 40, 50%. That's not good. That usually doesn't happen. Obviously, if the earnings are bad, that can happen. So you have to see when the earnings are, and based upon that, take a call. So as of now, the earnings are due in 5 days. I've made my position. I've taken a small position. I'll be adding more based upon how the earnings come out. So this is the analysis. Let's look at the fundamentals. Some micro cap. You have to be careful in these kind of stocks. You can get a 10 15% uptick downtick at any point of time. So you've got to handle it carefully. Okay, this is encouraging. 64% of the stock is with promoters. Only 35% is out there. All right. Borrowings have been trimmed. This is a good sign. Um, See, the company was basically the sales have not gone anywhere. The only thing that has happened is that their margins have gone up in the past 3 years, and they're pretty much stable at 22, 23%, except for this year. We don't know what happened here. They posted losses as well. All right. So we've seen highest profit and good sales as compared to last year and the year before. So we can expect a good run up in this stock. That's what we can expect. December results were good. We are waiting for March. They'll be out in the next 5 days. It's going to be a risky bet, guys. So play it accordingly. Um, I'm going to be putting around 4 to 5% of my total capital in this. And the reason why I'm doing that, in spite of it being risky, the reason why I'm doing that is I've had a great start to this financial year. My portfolio is up significantly since April and May. So I've got decent profit cushion, and I don't mind taking one or two risky bets and betting big on this. So as much there is risk on the downside, there is risk on there can be a good up move also, because these micro caps can really just keep riding up uh, you know very quickly. Let's see what happens. All right, thanks guys.